How to enable picture-in-picture on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to exit YouTube application. And now open settings. Navigate to apps. Tap to open it and then tap on app management from the section. Wait until every application gets loaded and tap search bar. Type in YouTube and open its app info section. Now scroll down. Here you need to locate picture-in-picture option and tap to open it. Now make sure that you turn on the button. Allowing these applications will help you to create a picture-in-picture window while the app is open or after you leave. For example, to continue watching a video. This window will be displayed on top of other apps you are using. Now, whenever you open YouTube application and start seeing a video, you can easily enable picture-in-picture mode and you can easily enjoy watching YouTube videos while you are using other application as well. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.